Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Mahmoud Abdul Khabir from Accredited Laboratory Channel, and here is a new lecture of LC-MS Liquid Chromatography Mass Spectrometry, which is composed of ion source. Ion source used for ionization of analyte molecules to charged particles or ions. As we said in the previous lecture that LC-MS is an analytical technique used to measure mass to charge ratio of charged particles or ions. So analyte molecules cannot be measured as it is. It should be converted before to ions, and then these ions will be transferred to other parts of mass and will be detected at the end. And also separation of these ions from mobile phase ions and the neutral molecules from atmosphere. So we will receive only from ion source only the molecular ions or precursor ions for our target analytes. These molecular ions will be transferred to quadrupole 1. Quadrupole 1, which acts as a separation device to select a specific precursor ions or molecular ions. Only selected mass to charge ions for our target analytes can pass through quadrupole 1, which is like a filter, separation device. But other ions which are not selected, which are not from our target analytes, cannot pass through Q1. If only target ions can pass through quadrupole 1 to other quadrupoles to the detector, so our spectrum will not be complicated and there will be no interfering ions. From quadrupole 1, our molecular ions will be transferred to quadrupole 2, which is collision cell or collision-induced dissociation region. And this is very important part in mass analyzer, which is for fragmentation of these ions, molecular ions or precursor ions, to product ions, to form product ions. Product ions, as we said in the previous lecture, these are more stable than molecular ion and specific for each molecule. There are specific product ions or fragment ions for each molecule. These considered as the fingerprint for the molecule. And that will be by accelerating of ions in the presence of collision gas. These product ions, as we explained in the previous lecture, that these product ions will be transferred through magnetic field and under the effect also of electric field to other parts, to Q3, then to detector. Ion source or ionization chamber or electron bombardment, that's used for ionization of analyte molecules to charged particles or ions, and separation of these ions from mobile phase ions and neutral molecules from atmosphere, divided into many types. There are types that require sample in the gas phase prior to ionization, like electron ionization and chemical ionization. So the sample should be in the gas phase, in the gaseous state, before ionization step. And there are other types that manage low volatile and high molecular weight samples. Low volatile and high molecular weight samples, and these can be divided also into those operating with sample solution, liquid, those operating with sample solution like electrospray ionization, and atmospheric pressure chemical ionization, and atmospheric pressure photoionization. And others, those based on sample desorption from a solid substrate, so it will deal with the solid sample, like matrix assisted laser desorption ionization and laser desorption ionization. All of these types will be explained in the new lectures, inshallah, in details. Don't forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube to get new videos. Thank you and see you in the next lecture, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.